I like balance. I like strength. I like flow. I like speed.
What I'm about to show you is going to make you rich. It's going to make you the biggest money when you are a content creator, or you are somebody in the niche of AI creation, or you're somebody that creates videos using AI, or you're somebody that loves cinematic videos that can blow people's mind in seconds, and you want to create those kind of videos very quick. I'm about to show you how to use this Seedance 2.0, right? This Seedance 2.0 is done by Higgsfield. Like I said, I've been making a lot of videos recently about Higgsfield, and this is because Higgsfield is becoming one of my favorite AI websites. Presently, it's the best AI website that I've used so far. So I would advise you to sit down and watch this video that I'm about to display to you, right? If you don't love it, then you're not ready to go in the movie industry, in the AI industry. If you're a cinematic movie producer, this is what you want. If you're someone that loves motion, that loves angle, that loves steady display of great videos, this is what you need for you to make good money. Alright guys, let's go. I'm going to use my mobile phone to do this display. So you're going to watch it from beginning to the end so that you don't miss any scene, and then so that when you start creating, you are not going to be left out. Like I said, this is just a demo video, so you're just going to go ahead and follow it so that when the release of the original video comes out, you won't be left behind. Alright guys, let's go. Higgsfield is the fastest growing Gen AI company with one clear mission to be the most creator-friendly platform in the world. This time they are releasing a Seedance 2.0. This is a post by CapCut. As we all know, CapCut, this is a brand that is well known. They said, coming soon, Seedance 2.0, the most advanced AI model ever, is coming to CapCut. Can you see that? I don't know this brand also. This is called Reddit. Now, Reddit also posted 5 days ago, said, upcoming Seedance 2 demo video. ByteDance new SOTA AI 2, right? These are bigger brands already talking about Seedance. So I don't know if you've not seen this, then you are missing out. So I advise you also go to my comment section, or like I said, check my description of this video. You will see the link for you to join the waitlist so that when it comes out, you'll be among the first to get access to this tool, this AI tool or AI model that's about to launch by Seedance. Yo, this is Seedance 1.5 Pro that was initially released before now, and as you can see how these videos are looking like, right? These ones are looking so nice and beautiful, auto scenes and every other thing. It is looking so classic, and if you've tested this video, or you've worked on this before, you've used it to produce a video before, you will know that this Higgsfield are really doing their best, right? They are producing something massive for content creators and making them to earn more. But let's see what the Seedance 2.0 looks like. Alright guys, this is 2.0, Seedance 2.0, and like I said, it is a demo version, right, of this video. That is, Seedance 2.0 is coming soon, so it's for you to get waited, to get ready to launch it with us. So for you to join the wait list, it's just for you to provide your email here. So when you provide your email here, you're going to hit on notify me. All right, when you hit on notify me, Seedance is just going to send to you an email immediately they launch it. All right, so right now we are going to hit notify me, and it's going to show you successfully registered for the waiting list. That means you've registered, and they will notify you when the Seedance 2.0 is released. All right, now key features of Seedance 2.0: instant creation, one-click video creation. Now you say you can turn a single sentence into a complete video. Right now, this is like magic, right? So what it's trying to say is a simple sentence, you can just turn it into a complete video, and then possibly just keep the hours of you trying to edit your videos here and there like we used to do in the old school way. You're not going to do that anymore. Now look at these videos. They're very clean, very realistic, right? If anyone tells you this is AI, you first of all say AI. Like, AI, I don't understand. How is this AI? But this is really AI, right? So Higgsfield, is doing magic. Higgsfield is helping creators. Now let's check on the second feature, right? The second feature, and let's see what the second feature has for us. All right, I love the way these video transitions are. Like, you can't tell me this is AI. It's so real. Now the second features here, they have multi-modal engine, right? Unified multi-input control. So feed up to 12 assets at once: image, videos, your audio clips, and text, right? Seedance 2.0 reads each input for automatically, right? That what they are trying to say is, right, you can input up to like 12 assets at once, and it's going to read each of your input and keep it and keep those input constant, right? Not when you input text, you get to realize that text is not even correct, right? They are going to fix that already. They have fixed that already for the next version coming up. Pixel control, frame level precision, every character's object and composition details stays locked across your entire video. This is very important, right? Because sometimes you might not have consistent character, and that is what makes some of AI tools not relevant, right? But this is very important because your characters are locked, your objects are locked, your text are locked. So what you provided from the initial first frame of the video is what they are going to use throughout your video production, and it's going to come out well. Narrative flow, multi-camera storytelling, right? Now, this can generate new stories or extend existing videos with natural short connections. All right. Now, multi-camera storytelling. Now, you know how it is when you have multi-camera storytelling. It's just like you can get a camera shot from the back, from the left, right. You understand, all happening at the same time, and also with the use of AI. Like, as you can see, look at this crowd control here. Look at the image in front of it, which is now the video, this man running, right? Look at the crowd control. It doesn't look, and it doesn't feel, it doesn't even look as if this is an AI video, right? I don't know how to say it, but you know what I'm saying, right? It looks so real, and as you can see, look at the crowd control and every other thing. Dynamic action, high impact motion scenes. Now, generate intense action to fight sequences with realistic body dynamics. That means every other things are just with a lot of collection of effects and fast camera tracking. See, the one that really makes me happy here is this fast camera tracking, man. I will show you some of the videos, and just imagine how the camera were able to track the body movement. All right, it's so massive, like it's so crazy. You can just see the tracking of these cameras, like it's fast. Take for example, you actually wanted to shoot these videos by yourself holding your camera. Only God know how many months it's going to take you. But with the help of this Seedance 2.0 that is coming soon, you can achieve this in minutes. Now, let's check on videos generated with Seedance 2.0. Tell me if you love this. Just say it like you like it. In fact, I don't need you to tell me if you like it. I know you like this. I know you love this. See what is happening, right? Look at the motion tracking. Look at the fast tracking. Like, it's so real. Those of us that have interest in creating Korean movies, or maybe we are Korean creators, this is what you need. All right, see what is happening here. This is something we call AI, but hey, we like what is AI. I should just call it. This is like a reality, right? This is the future of content creation. Now look at aerobics faces, very clean. So guys, we have community over 15 million users. So I don't know what you're waiting for. If you've not been here, you've not been registered, go ahead and sign up, join the waitlist so that you watch and understand what is happening. See you in my next video. Bye bye.